The very first thing you're going to want to do is when you approach the pump, you want to insert your card. If you want to pay using Apple Pay, I'll show you how to do that in the second half of the video using the app, since you can't tap to pay at the physical pump here. But when you insert your card, it'll ask you to enter in your zip code, which will basically connect to your Valero account. In doing so, allow you to get all the discounts from the card, etc. If you are trying to use the app, you're going to need to get the Valero Pay Plus app. And when you click on open, you basically need to log in, creating an email, and just attaching your phone number to this app. Once you're here, it'll basically set it up and show you where the nearest gas stations are, where you click on the pay option right here. And you can see right here we have the option to pay at the pump, which you can click on enter in your pump number at the gas station you're currently at, because it has access to your location. Click on Apple Pay if you want to choose your card, or you can click on the pay in store option and it'll basically take you to this page where you can generate a QR code and basically just attach the QR code. They'll scan it inside and you're good to go. That's pretty much all you need to do. There's obviously a map of all the locations, offers, and more information if you want to edit information on your account. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe on this video. Thanks for watching.